some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. I hope I get away with it. Oh, do-da, day. Alrighty, so everyone warned us not to go fishing today. Not only is there mad thunderstorms and lightning and shit, but it's the reef fish fin closure or whatever. Starts at midnight tonight, so we're racing the clock. We picked a good day for today. We always do, mate. Yeah. Tell me that was a plane and not thunder.
Maybe she fired something.
I hope so. Anyway, we've pulled up. This is an atrocious day. It's borderline, you're better off going to work. Not quite, but it's nearly there. But we just snuck out to one spot. This is as far as we're gonna go. And give it 10 minutes here. If it's no good, we'll sneak back into the islands, hide, and see what happens. The plan is we don't really have a plan, which is like most of my plans, but anyway, let's have a crack.
Well, I'm gonna let the boys have a fish, because I'm not feeling real good.
Can't say I blame you. Oh, got him.
What do you reckon?
Nothing too exciting, but it's a fish.
Yeah, fish is a fish.
Oh, a little bludger. James is on.
Oh.
Not much weight.
Okay, another bludger.
Twinsies.
Must be what's down there.
Yeah.
Oh, James is on. James. Skid's on.
Another one.
Another bludger.
Chipping. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to move.
What's your prediction for the rest of the day, mate?
Wet.
Wet?
No fish. Empty beers.
Yeah.
Still a good day.
Still a good day. I'm alright if I don't look down.
One pair of pants later.
Send it, gentlemen. There's some fucking big dogs down there. I like what I'm seeing, don't I?
Yeah, good.
20 metres deep. Fish on the sounder.
Yeah, we just need them on the hooks.
Yep.
That's a heap of fish.
I'd like to believe so, anyway.
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Skid's on. Skid's on big.
Do you feel?
Looks like a decent fish.
Oh, nice. Oh. Yes, here he comes. You want me to grab it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's me a fucking nutty. Oh, look at that. Oh, grab the lip grips. That's what we fucking came for, boys.
That is a nice fish.
Isn't it?
Hey,
Beautiful.
whew. He put up a good fight. Hopefully he's got some brothers and sisters down there.
Bit of luck.
Yeah.
And notice I'm not using the electric reel for the haters. We're having a real go.
And I'm just getting ready to burley.
Yeah.
Get him out of there!
Come on! Come on! Come on! Did you have the camera on for that, Nano?
Just after.
Oh, look at that! Oh, I can't even get it. Hey! Look at that one, boys. Happy with that. Not the best weather.
So come in at
71.
Yep.
Yep.
Little Mackie.
He looks beat up. Like,
He got
chewing him.
smashed.
He got hammered.
Bugger. He's a baby Spaniard, eh? Oh no. Spotty.
Something must have had a bite of him, man.
Yeah, shark. Poor fella. The gods are angry. Not supposed to be fishing in a swamp, mate. Let him go, poor bugger. He's had a rough day.
Not happy.
We're calling it a day. This isn't real good. It's a little bit sketchy out here. Yeah, just a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but there's massive thunder rolling in, and we've seen a couple of flashes of lightning, so I was like, whoop. Pull it up. We got a couple of nannies in the esky. Shouldn't be greedy. Question for you, but if you do get caught in a thunderstorm with lightning, are you better off going in near islands? Like, because then you're not the highest point, or what's the protocol there apart from not be out in a storm? So, question, let us know in the comments. Well, there you go, we made it back safe and sound. A little bit sketchy towards the end there, but it was alright. We wanted to sneak in a couple of redfish before the closure, and we did that. We knew there was going to be storms, there definitely was storms, but we ended up with a couple of beauties. You got to be happy with that. That's beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch us on the next one.